Handak pangthokadoriba Shirui Lili Festival asida miyam mapung fana saruk yaba ngamnabagi Imphal Dagi Ukhrul Phaoba Security ke Chekshin Thourang Chap Chana Loukhatkani HAINA Manipur Lengaki Tourism Director POOJA ELANGBAM PHONGDORAKLI Wafam ase handak pangthokadoriba Shirui Lili Festival ge saruk ama oiriba Miss Shirui Lili 2025 Beauty for Humanity ke social media publicity packets amasong promotional film launch tawbagi thorom mahakna phongdokibade Hotel Classic Grand da pangthokpa launching ceremony aduga mari lainana paumi singna hangba wahangi paukom piraduna POOJA ELANGBAM na hai Tourism Department ke calendar event ama oiriba Shirui Lili Festival ase irangna maram oiraga chahi ani lepraba patungda pangthokadabane Festival ase mamang da pangthokhiba adudagi tadana pangthoknaba akanwa mongda honare lagiba May 10 dagi 13 fauba numit 5 ni chupna pangthokadaba festival asida mi kaya yamna saruk yagadagi haiba khangma ngamde Adumapu kumja English Nation kuni thoida iroi loiba oina pangthokiba festival aduda saruk yakhiba missing adudagi tadana handaki chahi asidasu saruk yarakani haibagi thajaba lei festival asida miyamna mapung fana saruk yabada hena khudong chanaba security ki mathau taba Chekshin Thourang Chap Chana Loukhatkani madugi damak Manipur Police ki DGP ga loinana bifam pangthokpa lekhre loinana Ukhrul Imphal East Imphal West amade Kamjong District Police ki SP singasu pau faunaba leire Festival asida saruk yagadaba miyamgi chatok chasinna khudong chanabagi damak Imphal Dagi Ukhrul Phaoba security personnel matik chana thangbane loidana Ukhrul dasu security gi akanba Chekshin Thourang Loukhatkani maram aduna festival asida miyamna mapung fana saruk yabiyo department gi maikei dagi su festival ase ing tapna pangthoknaba angamba thak tokonagani haina POOJA ELANGBAM na makha tana phongdokhe
Yes, definitely. We don't know the exact amount of people who will be visiting, but we are prepared to have as many visitors as we had last time in 2022 or even more. So we are hoping for as many visitors as possible. But like you've mentioned that if there's any security concerns, we have already had meetings with the DGP of Manipur. We've also had meetings with the SP of Ukhrul, Kamjong, Imphal East, Imphal West, and they have assured us that there will be adequate security arrangements made throughout the journey and from Imphal and to Ukhrul as well as on the way, and there will be adequate security provisions in Ukhrul itself. So there is to be there's to be no problem at all. So I urge everyone to come out and participate in this festival, and we will make sure that everything goes smoothly.